Look at this section here. The data confirms the microstructure is stable.
That matches the probe readings we just took.
The z-axis deviation is within tolerance here.
Confirmed. The surface mapping looks good.
Body descent nominal. Pins engaged. Alignment confirmed. Proceeding to next sequence. How are the tolerances looking? Perfectly aligned according to the diagnostic report. Alignment verified. Applying torque now. Specified torque met. Confirmed. Alignment is within spec on the passenger side. Confirmed. Seal looks good, no voids detected. Levels stabilizing on line 3. Confirmed. Pressure looks good. The live sensor test is showing an unexpected drop in performance metrics here. I see it. The fault analysis suggests a software recalibration might be necessary.
Look at the manifold pressure reading here. It's stabilized right where we want it. Yeah, that confirms the repair. I'll disconnect the sensor now.
Power output is stable across the mid-range.
Confirmed. The adjustments to the fuel map look good.
The camber on the rear left is still slightly off.
Adjusting the lower control arm now. How's the toe angle reading?
It's stabilizing in the green.
Stopping force is peaking now.
Peaks, yeah?
And stabilizing quickly. Deceleration looks good.
We're reaching peak intensity now. Monitor the chassis flex.
Readings are nominal. Suspension is handling the load well.
As the sun sets on another day, the scale of our ambition becomes clear.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the ramp. Yeah. Hold it right there. Brakes engaged.
Ramp 2 is clear, send the next load. Copy that, moving now.